So this is coordinate geometry, and we are doing the past papers on coordinate geometry. Calculate the length of AB. This is question number 10. I have shown the data. So we should start for the distance calculation.
Uh, 45.
Have you taken the root sign also, under root also?
Yes.
The point P has coordinates 10, 12, and the point Q has coordinate 2, -4. The midpoint
Okay.
the gradient of the line PQ.
Gradient of that.
First, I've written the points.
Sorry, 1 second. I just need to copy.
The equation of a line perpendicular to PQ that passes through the point 2, 3. Remember this concept we discussed in our previous class, that gradient is taken as -1/m when you are dealing with perpendicular.
Okay.
So I'm getting 2 in part 2. What are you getting?
I'm getting yes, 2.
So the new gradient will be -12. What is the formula of a line?
Line.
The point is 2, 3.
Yes. I'm exposed.
Look at this working.
Yes.
Now, can you look for any next question?
Okay, 1 second. I just need to copy this.
No problem.
Okay, the next question is October, November 17, P43.
November
17, P43.
November 17. November 17, P43. And can you please give me the question number?
Question 8. Yes.
Line A has equation y is equal to 5x minus 4. Just copy the formula under it
Okay.
and compare. Comparison will give you directly the answer.
Yes.
Convert the equation into y is equal to mx plus c.
For line B also?
For this is a general formula. This is a general approach.
Okay.
So learn this approach that you can convert the equation, rearrange the equation in y is equal to mx plus c.
Okay. Okay.
Write down the coordinates of the point where line A crosses x-axis. Intercept rule. So what is the concept? For x-axis, you have to put y0. For y-axis, you have to put x0. Intercept rule.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line A perpendicular concept comes again, and I have already explained that how you find the gradient of the perpendicular line, reverse
ME.
the sign and flip the number.
Yes.
What's the gradient of line A? That was 5.
Yeah.
So you put the gradient, and then
Yes.
after putting the gradient, you have to find the equation of a line. First you find C. Point of intersection of line A and B.
Yes.
How I find the point of intersection?
We find the midpoint.
Remember this concept that this is how we find the point of intersection.
Oh.
Simultaneous solution of equation. Do you remember how to solve two equations?
Yes.
So I have used the substitution method.
Okay. Okay.
Just a minute. Look at the part number E.
Yes. In part D, will we write 5x minus 4 in the
Area
first line?
enclosed by the line A, line B, and the y-axis.
Okay. Yes.
He has given us 3 marks and the y-axis. So one line may be like this, one line may be like this. I've just drawn it roughly. Now I need to find this area. We need to find where these lines are cutting the y-axis. Let's see, it is A, it is B. For y-axis, x is equal to 0.
Okay.
The point of intersection of the two lines is 2, 6. So it is 6 here. So what's the formula of area of a triangle?
Okay. Half the space width side.
So now I need to find the base and the height. So I
Yeah.
can take this 6 as the height. 6 will become the height. How can I find the base? This is the base. -4 till 9. So how much would be the base?
9 minus 4.
9 minus -4.
Yes, so 30.
Now, can you look for another question for coordinate geometry once you have copied it?
Yes. Hold The next one is May June 17 P41.
May, June 17.
P41.
Question number?
Question number 7.
Find the coordinates of the midpoint. So you start this question. I'm just coming. This first part is looking simple. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now solve this, and I'm just coming. Solve this question. So this start this question.
Okay.
Find the equation of the line through A and B. So you have the 2 points. So find the gradient first. So once you find the gradient, then you should find the C, y-intercept. Put any point.
A1.
Another line is parallel to AB and passes through the point 0, 7. Parallel means same gradient. So
Yes.
we have the gradient of AB. We have the gradient of AB minus 2. So the gradient is same. Parallel lines have the same gradient, but the point is 0, 7.
Yeah.
First, always you have to find the y-intercept. Find the equation. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB. This concept comes very commonly here. Perpendicular means it should be the reciprocal and with a change in sign. So m prime is minus 1 upon m, which passes to the point 1, 5. So first I find the gradient. It will be plus 1 upon 2. Flip the gradient and reverse the sign. I'm putting 1, 5 to find C. He says give the answer in a form AX plus BY plus C. I take LCM. If I take minus sign common, so look at this working. This is an example of rearrangement.
Okay. 2.
Look at this working.
Yeah. Okay.
So if the question is finished, look for the next question.
The next question is May June 16 P42.
May, June 16.
Yes, P42.
16. May, June 16, 42.
Yes. Question 9.
A line join the point this and this. Calculate the length of AB.
Um,
So I have written the formula. This is the distance formula.
the answer is 18.97.
18 point.
97.
So I've rounded it for three significant figure. Find the equation of the line through A and B. Give your answer in this form. This is looking to be their favorite question. So we have A and B. So first we find the gradient.
Yeah.
We can put any point like -2, -5 to find C. So it's a common routine to find the C, y-intercept.
Yeah.
Another line is parallel to AB and passes through the point 0, -5. Parallel. Parallel means that the line is having the same gradient. It is having 3.
Oh,
So we will simply find C.
yes.
Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let's recall what is a perpendicular bisector. It is a line. It is a line which divides another line. This is called perpendicular bisector.
Oh, okay. Do I write this?
Sample you can copy as a rough sample. We need to find the equation. So first we find the perpendicular. First we find, look for the midpoint of AB. We already have it or no? 1 to -2 -2.
Yeah.
So now we find the gradient of AB. We have the gradient of AB 3.
Yes.
So the gradient of the line would be -1/3.
Okay. So that's that.
And you need to find the equation. Now you will use the midpoint because you need to find the C also. So I got the value of C also.
Okay.
Then to complete this solution, have you copied it?
Oh, yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
So we keep it up to here, and this solution is complete. And we will inshallah continue this in our next class. The coordinate geometry work is nearly complete, and we can start a new chapter. So
Yes.
it's up to here. We will do it inshallah in the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.